What's going on, guys? Steve Gaines coming back at you with another video. This time, we're going to give you guys a treat. This is an exercise me and a friend like to call the Drawbridges. It's a great way to build stability and flexibility while simultaneously build the upper body and core strength. If you like this video, don't forget to like and especially subscribe for more. Let's go. To master Drawbridges, you'll need a blend of upper body strength, core stability, and control. Start with the upper body. Mastering dips is key. Dips are fantastic for sculpting your chest and triceps, laying the foundation for mastering the Drawbridges. Now we're going to take this one step further and build upon the upper back, shoulders, and biceps. The perfect exercise for this would be the pike push-ups. Instead of going into your standard push-up form, you're going to elevate your hips and upper back until you resemble that of a triangle. Now when performing the exercise, you want to make sure your arms are shoulder width apart, your whole upper body comes down as you bend your arms 90 degrees while keeping your toes planted on the ground. Here's a better look at the exercise. Now, once you master this, next is to build on your core strength. If your core strength is not up to par, don't worry, there are some exercises you could use to build up the necessary strength. I suggest 3 to 5 sets of 10 reps of knee raises, and then once that starts to become easy, you move on to leg raises. Now, to really hone in on your core strength, you're going to up the ante and switch to hanging knee raises and then move up to hanging leg raises. Now the benefits are twofold. You are now building your stability more by keeping yourself stable as possible without swinging and further strengthening your core. I suggest doing this 3 to 5 sets with at least 12 reps to give you the necessary core strength. Now we're going to get fun with this one, if you ask me. You're going to use that upper body strength, core strength, and stability for the next step. You guys are going to do on-wall handstands. Find a wall, plant your hands firmly, then kick up with enough force to repel yourself to the wall without slamming into the wall. And most importantly, then you're going to hold that position for as long as possible. Ideally anywhere between 30 seconds to a minute for 3 sets. After a while, if you do this long enough, it'll get easier to go into this position and hold it for longer periods of time. Now you're going to use the same principle of on-wall handstands with a set of bars. Ideally the dip bars because it's the most common in the gym. Now to go in the upside down position, grab the dip bars from the under position and squat down to the point where you're almost sitting on the ground. Engage that lower back and core and do a controlled swing until you're 180 degrees in the upside down position. Then you straighten out your legs and make sure your body is completely straight. If you're able to do this, congrats, you mastered the Drawbridges. Additionally, what I like to do is superset this exercise with upside down dips. This is one of the most fun and effective upper body workouts that I've ever used in calisthenics, and I hope it serves you well. Let me know in the comments how I did, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for another one. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.